What's good? It's your boy YG Nate, shouting out all the way from Miami Beach, Florida. You heard me, and I just want to take the time today and talk about my people in New Orleans. I wish y'all the best. I hope y'all make it through the bullshit. But I had to let y'all know that I've been telling y'all to stay prepared for shit like that, because that shit can happen. You're not protected by your government. Hey, bro, I got that gas for you, dog. Fuck with your boy. That you're not protected by them. It's a false illusion of protection. I mean, you have your amenities with the electricity poles, heating system, 911, but when that shit is turned off, like it is in New Orleans, then who you gonna call? Like, what are you gonna do? Do you have weapons? Do you have your own water? Do you have your own food in your house? Do you have fuel saved up? Most likely no, because you have not. Because I know motherfuckers like me that look like me and come from, you know what I mean, the struggle. They not trying to stockpile on all kind of resources. They just trying to pay rent and make it through the next day. I understand. I ain't got shit saved up, but I know I'm gonna be with the bullshit when the shit hits the fan. I'm gonna acquire me some resources. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. But for y'all who can, y'all should acquire y'all some resources, man. Y'all should have been saving y'all some resources up, because I've been letting y'all know, everybody been letting y'all know that the bullshit can happen. It don't even have to be no zombie apocalypse or no war. It could just be a fucking big, strong wind come through and knock y'all lights off, and now y'all in the dark. 911 can't be called. The stores are closed. You just gotta get out. You gotta leave town if you're not prepared. That's basically what you gotta do. But when this shit is on a high scale, full scale blackout, full scale collapse of society, you be getting tastes of it on what it would be like. Look, pay attention. Look at how them people in Louisiana living right now. Pay attention to this shit, because it can happen to you very easily, bro. All this new technology getting out of hand, bro. We are not the #1 superpower anymore. Like that one dude that shared, those two dudes that shared that gold medal in the Olympics. I feel like we sharing the #1 spot as superpower militaristically. Technology has gotten to a point where you wouldn't even imagine. So for those people to be living like that in Louisiana right now is very unacceptable. But it is what it is. But y'all see, nigga ain't telling y'all prepare for nothing, bruh. And all that inner city living is played out anyway. If you got bread, you should be trying to look at a ranch, some type of farmland. Hell, I'll buy me a private island. Got so many private islands out there for sale. Give me a boat in a private island and stockpile your resources on that island. You feel me? Learn how to be really self-efficient. Learn how to be self-efficient. Stop depending on your overlords. To me, that's what a real man is. A man who's self-efficient. A man that don't have to put on a uniform and go to somebody else's office and have somebody else sign their check. My check is in the crops I grow, in the animals I own, in the water I have. That's where your true value lies. It's not in those dollars, yo. Wake up. That 9 to 5 is not going to save you. You gotta use your brain. There's too many ways to make money. We're in America. And you gotta stay on that. You can't get distracted. Here go Keisha. I'm gonna fuck on Keisha for a minute and lay up with Keisha and start spending money on Keisha and shit and not even worried about my future. Keisha ain't your future. Todd ain't your future. But in raw reality, your future is what you make it. Your reality is what you manifest, what you create. And right now, I'm about to manifest some bread. Truthfully. And the Afghan thing, I don't even want to get on the Afghan thing. That shit is so... You don't even know who to believe now. People saying they left dogs. They didn't they didn't leave the dogs there in Afghanistan in the fucking cages, abandoned dogs. Some people say they did, some people say they didn't. Some people said they left billions of dollars worth of equipment there. Some people said that the Afghan has billions of dollars worth of equipment from the U.S. Some people say they don't. Some reports or not. So I don't even really know what's going on with that shit, honestly. But it is what it is, yo. And y'all gotta keep ascending mentally. You gotta keep ascending mentally, spiritually, and physically. Keep positivity and tranquility in your mind. Don't let the naysayers and don't let anybody else dictate your life. You do what you want, man. It's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful land. I get to see myself now on my island with my animals and birds freely roaming, happy as they can be. Me grinding my ass off every morning on my farm. It's closer now ever than before. God is good. Y'all stay blessed.